Hello friends, welcome to Best English Classes. This is Dr. Prateek Tamar and today we are going to have an interview with an IELTS aspirant Bhavya. So let's ask her a question and see how she responds. Describe your experience when you changed your school or college. And how was your experience? Why did you change your school or college? When it happened? And was that helpful? And what were the consequences after that? Okay, let's start.
So I had changed three schools in my life,
Mhm.
and one was my kindergarten school, and another one was where I spent my primary classes.
Hmm.
So the one I remembered vividly was my secondary school. Then I changed my school when I was in fifth class and moved to another school because we have moved to another place. So I had to change my school there. So the school I changed was Anupam Senior High School, and I shifted to another school that was Kendriya Vidyalaya. It was a central government school, and the school was very nice, I would say that, because its branches are all over in the India. The school was very famous. So I was pretty conscious about that how I faced all the things, because I have never been to such a huge schools. So the first day was pretty nervous for me. I had so many things in my mind, but when I entered in the school, I found a girl that who accompanied me, and I asked her about the class, like where is the class 6th. So she told me that here it is. So we became friends, and the overall experience was very nice. I enjoyed a lot at school.
Okay, you spoke very well. There were some grammar mistakes, but overall it was